Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The history is long, but the short version is, Texas has its own grid to avoid dealing with federal regulations. In 1935, President Franklin D. Roosevelt signed the Federal Power Act, which charged the Federal Power Commission with overseeing interstate electricity sales. But Texas's utilities do not cross state lines. 18 February 2021.
Take our lead.
Update: Texas electric grid operators have launched rotating blackouts across the state after power demand reached an all-time high early Monday morning. Rotating blackouts are controlled, temporary interruptions of electric service, enacted as a last resort in an effort to conserve power and meet statewide demand. 15 February 2021.
Take our lead.
The Texas Interconnection is an alternating current AC power grid, a wide-area synchronous grid, that covers most of the state of Texas. The grid is managed by the Electric Reliability Council of Texas, ERCOT. The two major interconnections are the Eastern Interconnection and the Western Interconnection.
Take our lead.
What went wrong in Texas? The extreme cold is increasing energy demand at the same time the storm has reduced energy generation. One of the major causes for the energy shortage has been the impact on natural gas, coal, and nuclear facilities. 17 February 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.